Good morning, Mr. Railroad Man. What time your trains roll by? At 9:15 to 44 and 25 minutes till 5. I want to thank you, Mr. Railroad Man. I want to watch your trains roll by at 9:15 to 44 and 25 minutes till 5. I'm standing on a platform smoking a big cigar, waiting for an old freight train carries an empty car. And I rode her down to Danville town, got stuck on a Danville girl. You bet your life she was a pearl, wore that Danville curl, wore the hat on the back of her head like I told people all do. And the very next train come down the line, bid that gal sadly adieu. Big regrets I got in my life is saying goodbye that day. I never wanted it to happen that way. Man, it broke my heart and still does. I'll remember her forever. Just should have gone off and lived a quiet life in those mountains instead of roaming around wherever I went, whatever I did. It don't mean nothing at the end. We leave her all behind, go back to God. Good morning, Mr. Railroad Man. What time do your trains roll by? At 9:15 to 44, 25 minutes till 5.